Welcome to our gift card rewards video. Let's explore. Now at first open your browser and go to this website. Here you will find many gift card according to your choice. Click on the Get Code button for Get Your Choiceable Gift Card. Choose your gift card value. Please wait until the full process complete. Please complete a short survey to claim your reward. Keep watching, get your reward. Keep watching, get your reward. Must be used real information. Keep watching, get your reward. 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 Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe us get for more useful video.